aggravated assault is a very complicated statute. There's a lot going on here. So the best way to break this statute up is to talk about, kind of look at it in a way of part of the statute is dealing with serious bodily injury, part of the statute is just dealing with bodily injury. So before we get into that, serious bodily injury, someone is really jacked up, you really hurt somebody, somebody's really injured, or you were attempting to do that and you weren't successful, but you still were trying to cause serious bodily injury. Give you a quick example. I shoot a gun at somebody, I missed them, I was attempting to cause serious bodily injury. I hit them, I cause serious bodily injury, okay? And then we have bodily injury, which is kind of the second part of the statute. Bodily injury, somebody's at a bar, punches someone in the face, that's bodily injury. You weren't really trying to really hurt the person, but you were trying to give them some pain, or you were trying to hurt them, or you were trying to, okay? I punched Mike Tyson in the face, believe it or not, it's not gonna hurt him at all, so I was attempting to cause bodily injury. So those are the two ways of looking at this. So now, let's go back to the serious bodily injury. You have a felony in the first degree if you attempt to cause serious bodily injury upon someone, or you do. Then you have a felony also for attempting to cause serious bodily injury, or you do, upon a protected person. Now, the statute explains what a protected person is. The statute has elevated a protected class amongst those people. Those people have a protected class. And if you do anything to them, that also is aggravated assault. So the next part of the statute deals with bodily injury. Bodily injury amongst a person of a protected class. So if someone were to smack a police officer in the face or smack a judge in the face, that's also a felony aggravated assault, because they have an extra layer of protection amongst them, and the statute says you're not allowed to touch those people. You're not allowed to do any kind of injury to them. Then we get to weapons. If you use a deadly weapon and you attempt to use a deadly weapon to just cause bodily injury, not serious bodily injury. So basically what the statute says is if you're just even trying to hurt them a little bit, but you're using a deadly weapon, then you also committed aggravated assault. And then you have something, any child below 6 years old, if you try to commit bodily injury amongst a child, that also is aggravated assault. And then I'm going to leave you with something that's probably the most interesting thing. Then you have part of the statute that says if you try to scare someone who is a protected class, you don't even touch them, you're not even attempting to touch them. You scare them and say, I'm going to take this knife, I'm going to stab you with it. Or I take this gun and I point it at somebody, but I'm actually not trying to do it, and that person is a protected class, even though you didn't even touch them, that also is aggravated assault. So you have everything in the statute, from serious bodily injury to injury amongst protected people to actually scaring someone who's a protected class. Enrique Latoison, your 3-minute lawyer. Thank you.